Welcome to the PHS Digestive System Review, Part 3. Let's continue looking at the organs of the digestive system and the roles they play in digestion. Here we see the bolus moving through the pharynx, down the esophagus, and finally into the stomach. The bolus was formed in the mouth. It's a mixture of food and saliva, which contains water and digestive enzymes. At the back of the mouth is the throat, and the proper term for the throat is the pharynx. The pharynx is important because it is the only area of the digestive system that's linked to the respiratory system. At different times, the pharynx holds air or food. Once the bolus is propelled down the throat and into the esophagus, that propulsion continues. Propulsion is done by peristalsis, that involuntary rhythmic contraction of smooth muscle. Once it reaches the stomach, it will be physically digested, so it will churn and mix with hydrochloric acid and mucus, forming acid chyme. Chemical digestion of proteins starts in the stomach, and it does so by the enzyme pepsin. Now recall that pepsin is released as pepsinogen in the stomach and activated by the hydrochloric acid to turn into pepsin, which is the form required to begin the chemical breakdown of proteins. At this point, proteins are broken down into polypeptides. Absorption is the next function that we're looking at. The stomach wall lining can absorb alcohol, water, and some drugs, but please note that no nutrients are absorbed through the stomach. And the final function of the stomach is propulsion. Once the acidic chyme is churned and mixed and proteins have begun digestion, water, alcohol, and drugs have been absorbed through the wall, then the stomach will continue to propel the acidic chyme forward through squirts into the small intestine.